In this video, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC with Northwest Registered Agent. After clicking the link in the description below, you will land on this page and then simply click the Start an LLC button. After doing that, you will arrive at this page. Mainly, there are 3 ways you can start your LLC using this service. One is the do-it-yourself option, and the second one is the free account option, where Northwest will guide you every step of the way for you to create your LLC without any extra fee. The third one is the Hire Us option, where Northwest will complete the full process of starting an LLC for you. I will walk you through each of these steps. First, let me just start by creating a free account. In this section, just simply provide your name, email, and password to get started. I will provide some random information in here just to show you guys how it's done. After that, your account will be created and you can see your Northwest dashboard. Here, click on Create a New Business button to start your LLC formation process. Now, just name your company and in the Entity Type section, click on the drop-down option and select LLC and click on Next. Now, choose your business location. Click on the drop-down menu and select the state that you want to form your LLC. I will choose South Carolina and click on the OK button. After that, simply answer this question if you already formed your company before or not. Since most of us watching this video didn't, I will select No and click on the Continue button. Now, let's proceed to the next step, which is to choose a registered agent. Northwest provides top-notch registered agent service at an affordable price, and if you file your LLC through them, they will provide their registered agent service free for 1 year, which is a great deal. So, I highly recommend you guys to choose this service. But for the sake of creating this video, I will pass on this option for now. In this section, select your business address. A business address is where your business is located and a P.O. box is not allowed. To make this video short, I will simply fill out this form quickly with a random address and click on Continue. For the business mailing address section, it is recommended to provide the same address as before. Now, just answer this question whether your business is member managed or manager managed. If you don't have any manager to take all your business decision for you, just simply select on Member Managed option and click on Continue. Now it's time to provide your personal details so that your state knows who is running this LLC. Simply click on the Member option and add a new contact. Here, provide all your personal details and your home address. I will provide some random addresses for making it fast. After it's done, click on your name and select Continue. In this section, Northwest will ask you whether you want to file on your own or let them take care of forming your LLC. They mainly provide 2 options once you completed creating your account. One is the DIY option and another one is the Hire Us option. In the DIY option, they will provide you with all the documents from Certificate of Formation, Articles of Organization, etc. based on the information they collected from you before. But you have to be the one who will have to take all these documents to the Secretary of State's office and file your LLC. And if you face any issues, you will get an email or phone support. On the other hand, in the Pay in Full option, they will provide all the benefits written above the one-time price option and send your LLC physical documents to your home. You don't even have to leave outside your home. This is an option I also choose since it has a 1-year registered agent service for free plus many other perks. After selecting click on Add. It will then ask you for your EIN number. Since I already have one, I will skip this, but if you don't click on Add this filing to your card option and the service will be added. You just have to pay a few extra bucks. On the S Corporation section, I will just skip this option since it's not necessary. And, I will also skip the Trademark Registration Service section since my business doesn't have anything to trademark, but if your one has, then you can also add this service to your cart. Now, we arrived at the checkout section and as you can see for just $350, you can register your LLC with free registered agent service for 1 year from the comfort of your home. Before you make payments, Northwest will ask again for your personal information. Just fill it out and click Save. And last, just add your card and hit on Submit. That's how easy it is to form your LLC using Northwest Registered Agent. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.